Hello, I'm Mark Cukro with Service Team Training, and I'm excited to let you know that we are partnering with Grow Learning to provide training specifically for maintenance and service in our industry, from technicians to management. We'll have 3 basic areas, which is technical training itself, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, swimming pools, anything that a technician would use in the field while they're doing service requests, as well as service operations. How do you organize your service department and manage it so it's more effective, efficient, and proficient? And we will offer real-world solutions from people in the field for people in the field. So if you're interested in training, for you, a technician, anyone in your organization, contact us through email, our website, or phone call, and we'll give you more information.